This is my morning tonic daily ritual. First, I get some turmeric, get some cayenne pepper. I love to get a fresh lemon, some honey. Always got to need some honey and some apple cider vinegar. I always get one empty jar, two empty jars. And then what I like to do is I take the first empty jar and I use it for the liquid mix. Make sure it's nice and clean. I pour 2 cups of some fresh spring water. Pour the first one in. Just get your second cup. Always good to measure it out. Pour it in your first jar. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Get your fresh lemon and squeeze some fresh lemon juice. Some fresh lemon juice is always good. Lemon acts as an astringent in the body, and it's really good for your stomach, and it helps detox. Apple cider vinegar, also good. I poured 2 teaspoons of that in there. Put that to the side. Grab my other jar, and this is for the dry mix. Turmeric, always put at least 2 teaspoons of turmeric, and which is really good for inflammation. I run a lot, so it helps with inflammation in the joints, and it's really good for you as well. Then I take my cayenne pepper, and I take a half a teaspoon of that, then do 2 scoops of cayenne pepper, which is really good for the morning time because it increases your metabolic rate and starts fat burning early in the morning. So I'll put 2 half a teaspoons in there. Then honey, nope, not in there. Always put it in the blender, and I'll always do at least a 10 count of honey. Make sure you got your honey in there. You pour your dry mix in the blender, and then I'll follow that up with the liquid mix. Pour that in the blender as well, and I blend it until it's nice and smooth. You see all your ingredients pour back into your cup of choice and enjoy a fresh morning.